What's going on, everybody? This is Scott, also known as ChaChingKing, and today I thought I would walk you through what Melody and I are doing with our eBay business. We do a lot of lockers. A lot of what we have we'll bring home like this right here. And what we've always done is we take this stuff in our house and then we process it in the house. Pretty much anything that Melody and I don't want to ship, we give away. Our first priority has to be to get these things out of the house and out of our living room. But here's the issue. We actually like watching TV and having things going in the background when we go through these things, and we cherry pick these lockers. We're looking for items that are above $100 because our goal isn't to list 50 items a day. We want to list 5 to 10 items that are at least $100 a day. Or at least $100 each. Here's the plan. That's where this building out here comes into play. And let me walk you out there and show you what we've done. The first thing you're going to notice is that I put solar panels on this. Everything Melody and I do, we pay cash for. We don't do any credit. We don't want to do any financing. One of the reasons I was able to retire from the superintendent job when I did is because we didn't have any debt. So to pay for the solar and all, have to wait till I had the cash for it. To build the building, had to wait till I had the cash for it. This is the entrance to the mill house. Let me show you what's behind here that will be our view when we get our windows finished up properly. And it is our property line all the way to the back and across this little creek right here on this side. Reselling is what has allowed me to stay here. It's what allowed me to keep this. It didn't pay for it. I wouldn't want to pretend it did something that it didn't do, but it has certainly allowed us to stay in Penelope and keep the property that we have. So we've been missing a lot because I've had so much to do between, of course, personal stuff. I take care of my mom. She's been unhealthy. So we've been absent a lot because of that. But we've also been absent because a lot of the work on the solar and the building and all of the interior work I'm going to do myself, including the electric and stuff like that. The whole building is going to be an eBay building. Let me show you something else real quick that I'm planning on doing. In the front here, I've got some antique brick that I will do a patio with it. And on the inside, I've got access to some 1880s beadboard that I'm planning on doing the whole inside of it with, if there's enough of it left. So the whole inside of it would be beadboard with probably like a tin ceiling, something like that. Just keep it homey. Like I say, I'm not trying to recreate a business atmosphere. I'm trying to create a home style atmosphere because that's what we like to work in. Crank some YouTube, watch some other resellers, see what's going on in everybody else's life. Just enjoy our time. I'm going to take you inside and kind of show you what we've done so far. Keep in mind, this is absolutely a work in progress. This is a mess, and with good reason. Let me turn on some light. Okay, so here's what we've got. Let me give you a rundown of this building. This is 16 by 20, and it's very tall. I had 9-foot sidewalls and then a nice pitch to it. So I've got like 12 feet in the center and no loft or anything. We didn't need that. And everything right now is thrown in here. This is my solar setup. I've got 4 of the batteries. Our goal long term is to take this side of the building over here, and we will have shelving to hold inventory. We'll bring everything in the door that I just walked in. And on this wall over here, literally, there's going to be a TV mounted right in the middle. We're going to have a big sectional here. We're going to set that up like a living room. So we like to work in that kind of setting, relaxed, where we're still making good money for our time, but we enjoy talking to each other. We enjoy sharing the things that we bought. So we're literally setting this building up. Half of it is going to feel very much like a living room. We lose power all the time out here. That's one of the reasons that we went with solar. Gives us a backup in case the power is out in the house. Because a lot of times, as rural as we are, when the power goes out, it may be 3 or 4 days before we get it back. This will give us a place with the big sectional. We could literally spend the night out here if we needed to. This allows us to back the trailer right up to the door, process the lockers right here where we're comfortable, and maybe even shoot some of the stuff for you to see when we bring it in, which, by the way, if you haven't been there, it's ChaChingKing Picking is my second channel. It's just storage lockers and the occasional private pick because I get invited to go to places and check those things out. And sometimes y'all like to go along with me. There is some awesome stuff on that channel. And a lot of the stuff that you see in here is going to be in a locker that's coming up that's going to blow you away. Guaranteed, not including the jewelry that was in the locker. I found over 4 pounds of silver. So we truly love the storage lockers because we get the bulk, which allows us to give a ton of stuff away, but we also get the occasional banger that provides us with inventory for several months. So we're having a blast doing it. We run it like a business, but our business isn't built around just making profit. Our business is built around helping other people and providing for our own needs, providing for some of our own wants, and providing for time and flexibility. You don't have to build a business that matches mine, but you certainly don't have to build a business that matches all of the people that is hustle, hustle, hustle all day long. I make enough supplementary income to take where my retirement landed, not only to where I was before I retired, but well beyond that, not including the flexibility of time that I've never had in my whole life. This building is going to play a huge role in that. This, we call this the mill house. So when you hear us talk about the mill house, this is what we're talking about. And we call it that. This is where my lumber mill sat for 15 years. A friend of mine bought my lumber mill. I had a nice slab. Let me show you the slab. The slab is washed concrete. It is not washed right now because I had to do all of the solar work. It's just going to be a pretty space. Let me show you what's left in here right now and why it's in here. Obviously, all of that right there just went in, like I finished just before the end of the year. And I put in the AC, which is just a mini split up there. I finished that just before the end of the year. And this is January, so obviously I haven't done much else yet. I haven't done my permanent wiring and all of that. I will do all of that soon. These are leftover storage locker goodies. These are from an auction. I see if I can get my hand up there, right up there. Those are bubble mailers. I think that I have sold all of these keyboards. A whole bunch of this just got thrown in here when we were cleaning up. But it will get itself sorted here pretty quickly because I've rented the dumpster to get rid of things. I've got a kid coming by that is interested in some of the things that we have to give away, and I'm going to load up his trailer. We have some crazy, crazy good stuff in these tubs. And honestly, it's just a mountain of inventory if you haven't seen it. We are super excited about some of the changes that we've got going on. We are redoing our driveway. That's first on the list. That should be done in the next week. And I will have the driveway come all the way out here to the mill house. Trailer is bought and paid for. I just need to give that stuff that's in there away to someone else. Then we're going to buy another locker and go fill it back up. I've got 5 videos that are already shot that I need to edit for the other channel. But I wanted you guys to know what we're doing for our business. We've always kept it low key because it's never been about trying to impress anybody else with the numbers. Our business is truly built around my family and what works for us. It's a business built around earning an income, of course, but it's about giving back and creating time. Because let me tell you right now, like whatever anybody else is going to tell you, the number one resource that any of us have is time. And you don't know how much you have. I don't know how much I have. And we want to make sure we take advantage of the time that we have with each other, with our son, with our parents, because that time is fleeting. And this building is going to go a long way towards making us able to do the business comfortably, keep it out of our house, and move it to a space that's also super comfortable and meet some other needs. Let me know in the comments that you want to see the progress of this as we continue. I'm going to see you real soon on the next one. Bye.